Hi, I'm Carl Johnson with G&D North America, and we're here at InfoComm 2024. I'm happy to be here to present you our exciting Personal Workplace Controller. It is a multi-viewing KVM processor. This allows you to create different layouts. And recall them on wide format displays, on video walls, on displays of different sizes and arrangements. We call this our swap mode, where I can have an area focus on one large area in the display, and I can be monitoring other sources in the system that I want to control. Right? I can create different layouts and recall them on demand and very quickly reach in and control the sources. I can also change inputs on the display very quickly. So this is a KVM multi-viewing processor that allows you to control and view many servers on one display. We can also use this on large screens and video wall displays. If we look up here on this display, I'm going to recall different layouts on this display using a touch panel with a self-generated user interface. I can also resize on the fly. I can also select different layouts and resize on the fly. And create different live arrangements with different combinations of inputs, creating more dynamic presentation applications. So from InfoComm, it's Carl Johnson at G&D North America. You can find more information at gdsys.com. Thank you.